felt that, I know Dave did, that we couldn't let the day go by without recognizing her for all that she was, all that she meant to us, to family, to you as her friends, and to share again with you the fact and the story that she and Judy truly loved their time here at Monmouth College, and it really was the beginning for them of lifelong relations with a number of friends that had developed here during the course of their time at Monmouth.
This is where we met. This is where we dated. This is where we got lava-leared and pinned. And this is where we got engaged and dreamed of the life we were going to have together.
Through this gift, all will be able to share in the vision and in her generosity, which adds to the splendor of this great space. The gift of grace and kindness will now resonate within all who share these trees' presence.
And 1,000 hearts devotion to this holy